Welcome spring with a happy dose of color. I'm Nina.
And I'm Cecilia, Better Homes and Gardens style makers. We're going to be showing you how to take a neutral bedroom and update it for the spring using cozy pops of colors.
Let's go. Okay, so here is my bedroom, and as you can see, it's pretty neutral, but a great way to add color is by changing out the blankets and also the sheets.
I really love all of these colors. Any of them can really look great in your space.
Trade neutral sheets for cozy, breathable cotton sheets in a soft pastel shade. A great tip for adding color to a space is by finding inspiration. For me, is this throw pillow. I love the colors.
Give walls a colorful makeover without the mess of painting by hanging vibrant photography or graphic artwork. The pink from the artwork ties perfectly with the pink pillows and blanket. Don't let your nightstand be an afterthought. Utilize the surface to display one or two accessories in your favorite color.
And don't forget about storage. Using containers for jewelry is a great way to display your items.
Bring nature inside with real or faux potted plants.
I added this planter to add a pop of color.
You can also place fresh flowers on your dresser or nightstand.
And there you have it. A little color goes a long way.